Hey, what's up, Facebook family? I am back at trying to find another pet, another home. Meet Pork Chop. Let me turn the camera around here. We can get a good peek of Pork Chop. Pork Chop is a 10-month-old long-haired black cat, and Pork Chop is a sweet, sweet cat. However, he has what's called luxating patella. Hopefully I said that right. And that's a disorder where the kneecap will pop out of place. And so unfortunately for this little guy, his kneecap will pop in and out of place from time to time. And the reason that's important is because whoever was to, let's say, adopt Pork Chop, then they're going to need to do a good job on monitoring his weight, because if he gets heavy, that's not a good thing for this situation where his kneecap will pop in and out. Now, having said that, the observation is that he's not in pain when the kneecap pops out, but he obviously can't walk correctly during that time, and so he'll limp around, but then the kneecap will pop back in. And so again, the vets just say that it's a good idea to keep him at a healthy weight. Now, Pork Chop here is an owner surrender, so he had an owner that unfortunately for whatever reason surrendered him into the shelter, and so now we are here trying to get Pork Chop a new family to live happily ever after with. We're getting ready to take him on. We're here over at the Fox13 studios, getting ready to go in and introduce him on television to see if we can find him a new home. So if you guys are thinking about adopting a pet, a cat, maybe a black long-haired cat specifically that's 10 months old, then reach out to the Utah Humane Society. They've got Pork Chop there. And on that note, I want to thank you all for watching.